y'all back with another video. It is Sunday. This is gonna be probably Vlogmas day 4 or 5. So I'm just gonna make some pot roast. What's that, bacon? So I'm making dinner and Daddy-O is gonna make breakfast. Say hi, Daddy-O. I'm not a big breakfast person, y'all, so it'll just probably be for him and Malia. But Malia is gonna help me. You wanna pour it? Malia, look. You wanna pour this inside? Ooh.
Oh my God, what happened to Virgil? And the kitchen was
Yay! Alright, so I'm gonna put this pot roast in the oven and let it cook for 3 hours.
What?
Yeah, for 3 hours. And you making breakfast. I actually have to leave in like 20 minutes to go get my cousin from the airport.
Oh, Peggy.
Yeah, it's CJ's birthday. It's the 4th, and Riri. My brother's birthday and my nephew.
Oh, your brother's gonna be here.
So yeah, I will see you guys later. Oh, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I am doing Vlogmas.
Pull up on what?
Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. And I will see y'all.
You thought this was your hood?
Go ahead. You ain't gonna burn yourself.
It's crap pie. What you talking about?
Okay, do it one more time. That's it. Be careful. Be careful. Don't be like me and get a second degree burn.
That's all, folks.
That's all. Okay.
Left.
I'm not left-handed.
Happy birthday thing. Oh Lord. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CJ. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish. Y'all, my house, this apartment, it is a hot freaking mess. But I'm trying to decide between give myself some little maintenance, self-care, or clean the house. I don't know which one. But 2 of them gotta get done. Because tomorrow we have a play date and I look a hot mess. I've been looking like who did it and got away with it for the last couple of weeks. And I need to get myself together. So I think I'm probably just gonna do the self-care and then really deep clean tomorrow. Because it's a mess, honey. It is a mess. It is not giving what it's supposed to give. Anyway, so depending on what I decide to do, that's what this video will be. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, okay, y'all? I am on the road to get at least 300 subscribers by the end of the year. Hey, be careful. So it's 8:26. Oh my God, it's already 8:26. Okay, I need to get my daughter ready for bed because she got school tomorrow, and I'm already late behind schedule. 8:30 I said I would be. We already took a shower and she would be getting ready inside the bed, but okay, I gotta go because I want her to be in the bed by 9 o'clock now since I'm 30 minutes behind. But yeah, I'll come back and then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do. And that's what this video will be. And I will see y'all in a little bit. Malia, what's this? What's this? Huh? Milk. I gotta make some oat milk because I just been buying it. I've been so lazy. But y'all see the laundry? Y'all see the laundry? There's laundry everywhere in this house. But I need to make her some oat milk. I've been slacking. I've been buying it, and oh my God, she just pooped and it smells so bad. Now my house is a mess, but one thing that I have to keep clean before I go to sleep is the kitchen. I'm sorry, that's how you get little critters in your house. But I'm going to, it's 8:35. I already spent 10 minutes doing this. I need to do the dishes before I get for a bath. Is it just me, but I like to wash the dishes before I take a shower because I don't want the kitchen germs on me, if that makes sense. But that's what I'm about to do real quick. The toddler is sleeping now, so now it's time. Sorry. It's time for me to do my own little thing. So I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog. So I'm going to try to do my hair and my nails. I got some pressed ones here. And I think that's it, yeah. So my eyebrows don't look too bad. But I already did my face. Oh no, I didn't do my face. I washed my face, but I didn't put anything on it. So I'm gonna put some toner on my face. One thing about wearing glasses, like, gotta take it off, let that dry. Y'all, I really can't see. I'm gonna be using 7B. Can you see? I'm gonna be using this Top Tier by Erica J. Y'all go get it. Let her know that I see you. So I'm gonna put that on my face. Don't even need a lot. Okay. And then because my lips is so dry, I'm just gonna put some. I cannot see them. Okay, because my lips is so dry. I need to drink some water. I made some pot roast earlier, and when I say it was so good, I forgot to show y'all it, but it was really good. So, I got this wig from Amazon, a Upart Wig that I saw on TikTok. Now y'all, I don't know how to do no hair, so I don't know how this gonna go, but I'm gonna try my best. I saw a TikTok video also on how you could put on a Upart wig if you don't know how to braid. Yeah, that's me. I don't know how to braid. And I got a daughter, like, her auntie is always the one that's gonna do her hair because I don't know how to do hair. But so far, y'all, this feels so soft. I like this already. So I'm gonna try to put this on. I gotta actually watch TikTok videos to show me how to put this thing on because I don't know how to. But let's see how it goes. When I come back, I'll look 10 times better because I've been looking a hot mess. Okay. So yeah, let's see. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I like this already. Like, I had to watch videos, but I think I was overthinking it because, like I said, I don't know how to do hair. But it literally took like 10 minutes for me to part my hair, put the hairspray, and pin my hair because I don't know how to braid. But it's fine. Like, I think my head is just a little small for it because it has some spaces, but I'm just gonna put some pins because there's only one comb in the back and there's like a gap right here. But I'm just gonna put some pins right here. But I'm gonna come back when I flat iron my hair, my weave out. Alright, so y'all, I'm done. Now my hair is thin, and I put the thingies, what do you call them? Y'all, what is this thing called? Oh, clip-ins. I put them in as close as I can, but even when I would do a bonding, like right here, it always has to be extra for me because my hair is super thin. Like y'all can see it right here. Like my hair is so thin. And the video that I watched on TikTok, she has said that you can just get shorter clip-ins so that you can add them to layer them. But I already bought this, so it's too late. But it doesn't bother me too much because I'm just trying to have a simple hairdo or whatever. And then if anything, I could just go like this. Okay. This is fine for me, but it doesn't bother me too much because I just wanted a style simple, cute, and it only took me 10 minutes, and that's perfect. I feel like this is very mommy approved because y'all, 10 minutes to do my hair, I'm in and out, and I don't know how to braid. Yeah, this is it for me. So I think Upart Wigs has me sold. Like this, I can get jiggy with this, okay? So now I'm about to do my nails. Where did I put them? Oh, I'm about to do my nails, and I don't remember where I put this stuff. I need to clean this, organize this drawer because it is so much stuff scattered everywhere. Okay, so my friend gave me this glue, Beauty Secrets. I don't know if it's gonna focus. She got this from Sally's for me, and then you know, put the acrylic powder trick that I saw on TikTok. So I'm gonna do that now. And I had cut my finger, so I need to be careful when I'm putting this nail on. So yeah, but yeah, y'all see this drawer? Let me show y'all. All right, so yeah, I need to clean this drawer because it's literally stuff everywhere, and I had this clean like a month ago. But am I gonna clean it right now? No, because I'm still doing self-care. So like all this allergy medicine and stuff, like I need to organize it, but not today. I'm not gonna do it today. So I'm about to clean all this mess up, and yeah, so this is it. Why he got that towel up there? Y'all, I have a towel hook right in the closet, and he still puts it over the thing. Like, then look, he got this. I don't get it. Men are so hard-headed. But I'm gonna do my nails. I'm gonna catch up on everybody else's Vlogmas videos, because if you want support, you gotta support others, right? Y'all see that laundry? Y'all, I have so much laundry to do, it's crazy. But I will come back and show you my nails when I'm done. I moved her into her bed safely. So hopefully she sleeps the whole night in her bed. My nails. Press-ons. I've been wearing press-ons for a year now, and I am never leaving. Y'all know that TikTok? I am never leaving. I'm never leaving. So it's currently 1:51 in the morning. And I gotta wake up. I gotta wake up at 7:40, 7:45 the latest, because my daughter has school tomorrow. And gotta be up to take the baby to school. So yeah, so this is my mateless vlog. But I'm gonna close this video out. And I don't know, am I supposed to take this out every day, or I could leave it in my head and just keep wearing it? I don't know. I gotta look on TikTok because I really don't know. But if you know, please comment down below. Am I supposed to take the clip out, Upart Wig out every day, or I could leave it in my head as long as I want? Because I really don't know. And y'all, don't forget to subscribe. I will see y'all tomorrow for Vlogmas. I'm not sure what day this video gonna be, but I will see y'all because I'm vlogging every day. And I'll see y'all until next time.